We've had a very busy couple of days. On Thursday we were in Stara Zagora and we visited two Roma communities and a very small village. In each case we were giving out boxes at local churches, particularly the Roma churches, as you will see. We got a great reception. People there were knocked out that we'd come with presents for them. They couldn't believe that someone would come from another country with presents just for them and their children. So they were really grateful, really delighted, and it was good to spend time there. And yesterday we were in Vratsa at the youth prison, and we also went to see some older folk at Botograd, and we also visited a couple of protected homes, one in Pravets and another in Vrdare. And Vrdare we hadn't been to for maybe 10 or 12 years, so it was good to go and visit there and catch up with people there and give out presents, of course. And it's been such a delight wherever we've gone this week. A lot of smiles and a lot of laughter and excitement with the presents. And we've really enjoyed it. This is probably going to be just about our last video. We've had a great few days, and thank you. If you took the time and the money to make a Christmas present, or you joined in to help us sort and check the boxes, thank you so much. It's really hard to put into words just what it means to people here. So we hope the pictures do the talking. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you next year.
Кажи мерси. Кажи мерси. Гери.
Every year we ask our friends in England to collect presents.
Всяка година ние молим нашите приятели в Англия да съберат подаръци. Заповядай.
Така.
Так ми с мама дала 8, пък тя на 7.
Okay.
Добре. It's 8. This one. Имаш възможност да прави го.
More than 100.
Повече от 100.
This year we were given 6,500 presents.
С тази година ние успяем да съберем 6500 подаръка.
You ready? This one's quite heavy. Yeah. Hands up. There we go.
Thank you. Thank you.
There we are.
Катя. Това е моето момиче. Благодаря. Митко.
Yeah, Nico, there you go, mate.
Браво! Браво, ти знаеш английски! Значи...
Мадам, заповядайте. Много здраве.
Живи и здрави и
Мадам,
вие.
много здраве. И за вас много здраве. Така млада.
И във вас приятно ви изкарвали направо.
Хайде, дърно.
Живи и здрави.
One for you, sir.
Да.
Може да е шапка, може да е.
Майко.
Тук има даже още един.
Я виж, извади ми.
Дребен. Да, ама това как ще върши работа?
Това ще ми върши, да, за това ще го пазаме.